Introduction.
Another week has gone by in our Physics 111 course, and things are getting on the move in so many different ways. All the work we have to do inside and outside of class has really put us on the move, and the study of movement itself has brought a whole new meaning of change, or the lack thereof, in position. It causes me as a student to rethink and change what I have known or accepted in the past. I think the study of movement has really been allegorical to the pace we have picked up in the course. There's always plenty to do, learn, and question in our study of physics, even within the past week.
What I did.
There were many things we did this past week in and out of physics class. This past Tuesday in class, we extensively studied graphs of position versus time, velocity versus time, acceleration versus time, and motion diagrams. Outside of class, I researched other ways we could produce spring force for our water balloon launcher. In class on Thursday, we learned how to use Logger Pro to be able to graph the motion of a moving object in a video. After class on Thursday, a group worked on assembling our launcher.
What I learned.
Of course, they're doing all that stuff. There was some learning involved. In class on Tuesday, I learned that the different graphs of motion are very closely related to graphs in calculus. After class, I learned that you can make spring out of fiberglass stakes. Thursday's class brought the epiphany that acceleration does not necessarily mean that you are speeding up. Outside of class on Thursday, I learned that building a water balloon launcher from scratch can be difficult.
What I want or need to know.
With all this thinking going on, questions are bound to form. Tuesday left me wondering how you could graph three-dimensional movement. I wondered outside of class if our water balloon launcher would be adjustable by tension or by angle. In class on Tuesday, I was questioning why physics was developed. After class, I was wondering how Logger Pro is used in the professional world.
Conclusion.
After being on the move this past week, we have done a lot, learned a lot, and come up with a few questions. In class, the subject of discussion was on movement, and really it's just an indication of what we need to do in and out of class to keep up with all the things we have to do. Our learning has been on the move as well with all the information we have been covering. A lot of questions have been formed as well, but through it all it's been good. The change in position in learning this past week has really helped me to look at the world in a new way.